we are making it out today. It is a beautiful day. Unfortunately, it's a little bit smoky. I believe the fires up in Canada are bringing more smoke down. Hopefully it doesn't get too worse and it clears up soon. But trying a voiceover for this video, I feel like it's just going to be the best bet for getting the vibrations out of my voice. If you guys think so, let me know down below. But we are currently on our way to North Beach to meet up with Bob. To fly the drone, get better at that, and yeah, see what footage I can get. It's gonna be really fun to revisit places and get some drone shots. But also, when you guys are watching this video, it is already less than 3 weeks away from our summer trip to upstate New York. We are getting the bus as dialed in as possible before we go, changing a few things from last year, but improving in a lot of things, so we're excited. I have a few different routes planned out, a few around the Finger Lakes. One to either a state park, state forest. It looks super nice, at least on Google Maps, and I'm super excited to get there and obviously have the drone with me. But also getting the bobber dialed in. When I made the video of modifying the seat bracket, I told you guys that I moved my seat forwards out of the custom drilled hole that I made, and this ride I have moved it back to give my legs a little bit more room. I feel like it's just needed, but really enjoying how it feels. Like finally feels dialed in exactly how I want it, and will not be changing it for the near future. So let's make our way down to meet Bob and get some drone footage.